So it can be pretty common to get stringing on your 3D prints. And while there's lots of settings that can be optimized with your machine and in your slicer, like retraction distance, sometimes it's just unavoidable. But a quick way to make short work of them is to just use a heat gun. As you can see, as it gets warmed up, the strings just melt away. This print, I do have a bit more stringing there off the left side that I'll have to clean up a little bit more. Most of that will just pull away. An important thing to remember too is safety. For this video, I'm not necessarily doing it in the most safe way. It's good to have a clear work area and be paying attention to what's behind your print, as well as making sure that you don't burn yourself as you're blowing around the different areas to clean up the print. So be safe and happy 3D printing.